Hello everyone, I'm Mallika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. A glamorous look is every girl's high, and today I will be showing you a step-by-step process to achieve an eye-catching glam look. Apply some concealer on the eyelids and set using powder. Start by applying a brown intense eyeliner on the lids. You don't have to worry about being neat at this point as we will be blending this out. Next, add a dark brown eyeshadow and blend the line further, taking the color all the way up to the crease. Now use a fluffy brush to blend any harsh lines. Use more color if required. Add a darker shade to the outer corner and blend. Next, apply a shimmery muted gold to the lids and a softer shimmer to highlight the brow bones. Add a little more brown to define the crease line. Apply kajal in the upper and lower waterlines. Then apply eyeliner. Curl your lashes and apply fake eyelashes if you wish. Apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes. Finish the eyes by lining the lower lash line using a brown pencil and smudging it with a brown eyeshadow. Use a shimmer to highlight the inner corner of the eye. You can now clean any fallout before you start with the face makeup. Apply some moisturizer if required. I'm using an eyebrow marker to shape my brows, and because I like them thicker, I'll be using a brown eyeshadow to define them further. Apply concealer to the under eyes and other problem areas and blend. Mix the foundation and strobe cream for a dewy effect. Spot apply on face, then blend in a buffing motion. Dab a little powder on the under eyes and other areas that may get oily to help set the base. Contour your cheeks, jawline, forehead and nose to define and enhance your face shape. Apply blush on the apple of the cheeks, blending outwards. Apply the highlighter to the high points of your face to give an extra dimension and radiant look. Use a lip liner to outline and fill in your lips, then apply the lipstick over it. This will make the lipstick stay on the lips for longer. Spray some setting mist on the face from a distance for added hydration and setting your makeup. A glam makeup look is great for any event, whether it's a wedding or just a fun night out. All you need is confidence to carry it off. You can have your own version of the glam makeup. As I always say, makeup is all about experimenting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay safe and look glamorous.